This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together.
Quick, Tim!
Just like you, you're just
Topsy,
like us,
run!
and we'll be friends forever.
Go, Tim!
We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together. Be best friends forever.
Hello! It's us! Topsy and Tim! Grandma and Mossy are coming over. Come on! Washing Mossy. It's Grandma! Hi, Mossy! Hi, Mossy! Hi, everyone!
Come in, Mum.
I love you here.
Oh, where's Mossy's ball?
Where'd it go?
Mummy's away this week, and Dad's going to play football. So Grandma's doing our bedtime.
Now, where's my Hello Grandma Huggle twins?
I'm off now, you two.
Bye, Dad!
Oh, bye. Have lots and lots of fun with Grandma.
Yay! Mossy,
And I'll get them ready for bed.
Thanks, Mum. See you later. Bye.
Bye.
Mossy.
Right, you two. Bath time.
But it's not bath time yet, Grandma.
I know, but I'd like you to help me wash Mossy the dog.
Oh, yeah!
Would you like to do that sort of bath time?
Yes, please! I can't wait to get things ready for Mossy's bath. Here's our bubble bath for Mossy's bath.
Oh, that's a nice idea, Tim. But Mossy has a shower, not a bath. And she has her own special doggy shampoo, look.
Oh, yes.
And she has her own doggy towel.
It's got a dog in it.
Now, I need to test the water for Mossy. She likes it not too hot and not too cold. I think this is a good temperature. Try it.
Yeah, it's not too hot, not too cold.
In fact, it's just
tickles.
right, isn't it? It's just right.
It tickles.
That's good. Well, I think we need to get Mossy into the bath. Mossy, come on.
Mossy can use a bath step. Like this. Then Mossy climbs into the bath.
That is a great idea, Tim. But I need to lift Mossy into the bath myself so she doesn't hurt herself. So can you just put the step back?
Okay.
Thank you. Topsy, you can bring Mossy up for her wash now.
Topsy! Coming!
Oh, well done, twin. She's in. Now it's time for her doggy wash. There we go.
Grandma gets Mossy's fur wet, and we get ready to clean her.
Yes,
It's like jelly. Can we start?
You can. Yep, start.
Bubbly,
That's it.
bubbly, bubbly.
That's it, on her body.
Bubbly,
That's
bubbly.
it.
Bubbly, bubbly, bubble, bubble.
That's it.
Look at that, Tim. Look at this. Bubbly, 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 bubble, bubble.
That's it.
Oh,
You need to
bubble,
start.
Mossy.
That's right, on her body and then down to her legs.
Mossy's enjoying her wash. So I know what will make it even better. Bath toys!
Oh, now, wait a minute, Tim. Actually, that is a good idea, but Mossy can't play with your bath toys because she might chew them.
I know. She needs a dog toy. I'll be back in a minute, Grandma.
Okay. You can do her legs a little bit.
Mossy likes to play with her ball, so I go and get it. Got your ball, Mossy.
You can do that if you want. Just wet her neck for her, just her neck.
Got it. I've got it.
Oh, great. There we go. In it goes.
Pull up. Oh, I'm all wet.
Oh, you we should do. I think the time has come, OK? I'm going to wash Mossy's head and then we can rinse her off.
OK. Once Mossy is soapy all over, Topsy rinses her with the shower water.
Mossy isn't used to showers like we are. You need to be gentle.
Mossy's bath time isn't the same as our bath time, is it, Grandma?
No. Well done, Topsy and Tim. She'll soon be squeaky clean.
Squeaky clean. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Squeak, 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 squeak.
Squeak, squeak. That's probably enough now.
Ooh. You're good on the wet,
Right, that's quite enough of that. I think we better get Mossy out now, don't you?
Yes.
Right.
Come on, stand over here, Tim. I'm soaked. When Mossy gets out, it's time to dry her off with our special towel.
There we go. Oh,
You got us all wet, Mossy.
didn't we? She's a good girl, though.
Oh, well done, Mossy.
No,
Well done.
Very well, didn't you? There we go.
Look at Mossy's hair. Look at your hair. Look at yours. Look at my Grandma.
Oh, look at you two. Oh, but I think back to normal. Now, I think we better clear up before Dad gets back.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Thank you.
Before we go up to bed, it's time for one last cuddle with Mossy. Oh, you smell nice and clean, Mossy. Oh, lovely, Mossy. Dad! Daddy's home!
Hello, Topsy and Tim.
Hey!
Did you have fun?
Yes! We had the best bath time ever, Dad.
I didn't think it was bath night.
No, we didn't have the bath, Dad. Mossy did.
Ah.
You need a bath, Dad.
Yeah. Football mud.
You go and run yourself a bath, Brian, before you read the twins their bedtime stories.
OK. Tell you what, Topsy. You can both pick a story tonight. What story do you want?
And that's when Dad said,
I miss Mummy's bedtime stories. I expect you do too.
yes, I do. I miss Mummy most of all at bedtime.
Yeah, we all miss her. But there are only 2 more bedtimes until she comes home.
Yay!
Yay!
I love Mummy and I love you, Dad.
Oh, thank you. A hug always helps, doesn't it?
Yeah. And a huggle. Oh.
Do you know, I think Mossy wants a squeezy hug too.
Yes! Mossy! Squeeze! Well done, Mossy.
You know, thanks to you two, Mossy's had the best day ever.
Thanks, Grandma. and that's it, Grandma. Was that? Hello. Are you good at remembering? Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play. Today, we helped Grandma wash Mossy. Can you remember which toy Tim brought upstairs for Mossy's bath time? Was it a ball? Or was it a squeaky bone? The answer is behind Wiggles the rabbit. Look, the answer is a ball. Watch this. Mossy's enjoying her wash, so I know what will make it even better.
Oh.
Bath toys!
Oh, now, wait a minute, Tim. Actually, that is a good idea, but Mossy can't play with your bath toys because she might chew them.
I know. She needs a dog toy. I'll be back in a minute, Grandma.
Okay. You can do her legs a little bit.
Mossy likes to play with her ball, so I go and get it.
wet her neck for her, just her neck.
Got it, I've got it.
Oh, great. There we go. In it goes.
But look, I'm all wet.
Oh, you are. Oops. Sorry. Oh,
Great game. That was good fun. See you soon.